Everyone, I, Tavika of 10th class, take this fine opportunity to welcome you all to our school's Independence Day celebration. I warmly welcome our HM Sir Pudi Shekhar Garu, our beloved corresponding madam and Swarupa Garu, and honorable guest of the day, Dr. C.H. Srinivas Rao Garu, MD DM of Vijayanagaram. It gives me an immense pleasure to greet all of you on the occasion of the 76th Independence Day. Let your spirits fly high with the Indian flag today. Happy Independence Day. Now I invite our HMCR correspondent madam and chief guest to hold the flag.
Good. Direction.
From 10th class. Now the flag salutation will be read by Tejasvi of 10th class, and I request everyone of you to repeat after her. We salute our national flag and pledge our zeal and austerity with which each one of us shoulder our responsibilities of a good citizen. Its glorious history, written in letters of gold, inspires us to put in good work at the fair name of our country. We will make genuine effort to add to its luster and glory and make it fly proudly high in the Committee of Nations. Jai Hind.
రక్తం చిందించిన
భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం, నిర్మల సురగంగా జల సంగమ క్షేత్రం, రంగుల హరిమిల్లుల విలసిల్లిన నిలయం. భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం, భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం. ఉత్తరాన ఉన్నతమై హిమగిరి శిఖరం, దక్షిణాన నెలకొన్నది హిందూ సముద్రం. ఉత్తరాన ఉన్నతమై హిమగిరి శిఖరం, దక్షిణాన నెలకొన్నది హిందూ సముద్రం. తూర్పు దిశ పొంగి పొరలి గంగా సంద్రం, తూర్పు దిశ పొంగి పొరలి గంగా సంద్రం. పశ్చిమాన అనంతమై సింధు సముద్రం, పశ్చిమాన అనంతమై సింధు సముద్రం. భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం, భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం. ఒకే జాతి సంస్కృతి ఒకటున్న ప్రదేశం, రత్న గర్భ పేరు గన్న భారతదేశం. ఒకే జాతి సంస్కృతి ఒకటున్న ప్రదేశం, రత్న గర్భ పేరు గన్న భారతదేశం. ధీర పుణ్య చరితలున్న ఆలయ శిఖరం, ధీర పుణ్య చరితలున్న ఆలయ శిఖరం.
Today I will speak about India. Thoughts on this prestigious occasion of Independence Day celebrations. This is our 76th Independence Day celebration. We got the freedom from the British. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. Just 75 years ago, British ruled the India. They came on the pretext of trade and gradually took everything under their control and made us their slaves. Then on 15th August 1947, India became independent after many agitations and battles. Many heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, they sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. Due to the brave warriors of our country who became independent today, and today we celebrate this day to stay tribute of those brave warriors. Independence Day is one of the national festivals for India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Song.
Boys,
శాంతానికి గుర్తురా తెల్లటి రంగుల, శాంతానికి గుర్తురా ఆకుపచ్చ రంగుల, శౌర్యానికి గుర్తురా ఆకుపచ్చ రంగుల, శౌర్యానికి గుర్తురా అశోకధర్మ చక్రము, ధర్మానికి గుర్తురా అశోకధర్మ చక్రము, ధర్మానికి గుర్తురా.
Deeply pleasure to introduce Dr. C.H. Srinivas Rao Garu. Sir has got his specialization in endocrinology. Sir was a renowned assistant professor in swims. Sir became a renowned consultant within a short period of time. Sir is a sugar, thyroid and hormone specialist and has achieved a very good name and fame within a short period of time. I call upon Dr. C.H. Srinivas Rao Garu today's function to render his valuable message.
children, I am honored and feel happy to be a part of this Independence Day celebration on this auspicious occasion along with you children. And as everyone is telling about the Independence Day, all the sacrifice of our freedom fighters and the importance of the flag in the poems and songs sung by the children. very inspirational, and like the wheel in the Ashok Chakra, it's a indication of our progress. Continuous progress is needed, where the development will be our aim for the progress of country. And I want to deliver some small important note on the health also, because both the development and progression of a country depends not only the education and but also on the individual health in each individual. So the health, which is the main important factor, where all the our world has been seeing the pandemic from the last 2 years, continuous episodes of COVID disease, and which has taken millions of lives from the all over the world. So if we see that our total dedication and our total importance should be directed towards the health throughout the last 2 3 years, because of this pandemic situation. Why it's all happening? Because each individual must know what is the importance of global warming and the other factors which are involved in the progression or initiation of this epidemics or pandemics. So one should be aware of each important about his health, as well as what are the things to be avoided, what are the things to be chosen to lead a healthy life and achieve their goals in their life. And one should take care of their parents when they grow up, and they should not be in the form. The education should give the importance to believe the truth, whatever the knowledge has been given in the schools or from the teachers or from the society. The truth should be carried forward, and all the myths and ignorance should be cut down or should be withdrawn. So all these things should be learnt and kept in the mind to lead a brilliant and prosperous life with the knowledge. So which will be main highlight and importance leads to be good health as well as good individual in their future life. Thank you, Sudha.
Now I call upon the senior girls to make this day memorial by another patriotic song. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे. విజయాలకు సాక్ష్యముగా మిగిలిన మన జెండా ఊంచా రహే హమారా. ఒకనాటి ఉద్యమాల నడుమ శ్వేతమై మెరయగ కదిలించే ప్రజల ఉత్సుకతను ప్రాణము ధరింపగా, భారత జాతీయతకే బాసటగా నిలుపగా, తొలి బాబుట నీడలోన భరతావని కదలగా, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. త్యాగం శాంతి సత్యం ధర్మం కలబోతగా, పింగళి వెంగయ్య కోరి కొత్త రూపు దిగ్గగా, స్వతంత్ర సమరాంగణాన సగర్వమై నిండుగా, నేతాజీ కలలు తీర ఎర్రకోటపై ఎగిరిన మన జెండా ऊंचा रहे हमारा. భారత జాతిని కాసోంది పహారా, అర్ధరాత్రి స్వేచ్ఛనిచ్చి అత్యున్నతమై నిలచి, సత్యాగ్రహ విజయాలకు సాక్ష్యముగా మిగిలిన మన జెండా ఊంచా రహే హమారా. జెండా ఊంచా రహే హమారా, జెండా ఊంచా రహే హమారా. Thank you, girls. Now I call upon my friend Aritra Arshita to say a few lines about today's importance. A very fine good morning to everyone. I, Prahashita of 10th class, take this fine opportunity to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this day of national celebration, I invite all the dignitaries to our school. We should all be pleased to be Indians. Since India is an independent country, we are free to exercise all our rights, including the freedom of expression and education. We live under the control of British government for approximately 200 years. They tormented us with our assets and treated us like slaves. But after all the battles, Indians continue to fight for their independence and rights with the support of our liberation fighters. On August 15, 1947, India attained its long-awaited independence from the British domination. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru raised the Indian flag for the first time atop the Red Fort. Since then, the entire country of India celebrates Independence Day. India used to be rich in resources. India was renowned for having largest market for spices in the world, and we had plenty of minerals. These motivations led the British government to invade India and seize the control over its products. Since in the beginning, decision India was very simple. The nation fell under the dominion of British people after several policies. They started tormenting us and making us their property. They sparked disputes among Indians by employing a divide and conquer strategy. This day is filled with a range of emotions. It makes us to appreciate and love the freedom we enjoy today by serving as a constant reminder of the sufferings of slavery, the power of unity, the meaning of sacrifice, and the fact that certain conflicts can be won without the use of force. As proud citizens of this nation, it is our obligation to carry out our responsibilities and work towards the expansion and advancement for our nation. We have to take an oath to build a brighter future for our nation while keeping in mind the sacrifices made by our forefathers. This is our 76th Independence Day celebration. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you everyone for giving me this fine opportunity.
I request our correspondent Madam Swarupa Madam to give a message to you.
Good morning. Good morning, children. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, madam.
So we are with a great extent we are celebrating because 75 years have gone. We got independence. Now we are celebrating 76th Independence Day. Is it not? So such a high way, a huge manner, all we are celebrating our freedom. Yes or no? So the government has announced as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, because it was 35 years completion, they have announced it is a Mahotsav. Again, you people have to think that where you are and what you are contributing to the nation. Nation is nothing but the society in and around us. Till then, poverty is there in our society, inequality is there in our society. Yes or no? So we people have to think and you should know the things what is going on in and around. So as future citizens, you have to take the responsibility for the development of our nation. Sir, today's chief guest, they have doctors, they have rendered a great service in the pandemic situation. Is it not? So, sir has rightly given stress about the health. Is it not? Health is wealth. ఆరోగ్యమే మహాభాగ్యం. అలాగే ఈశ్వరోమని మనుషులు ఉంటే దేశమే గతి బాగుపడును అన్నా లేదా? మనం హెల్తీగా ఉంటేనే మనం ఏదైనా చెయ్యగలం ఉన్నా లేదా? సో ముందుగా మనం ఆరోగ్యం గురించి మనం చాలా కాన్షియస్గా ఉండాలి. ఈ రకమైన పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ తీసుకొస్తున్నాయి గ్లోబల్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ఇష్యూస్ని తగ్గించడానికి మనం మన వంతు కృషి చెయ్యాలి అని సార్ చాలా అద్భుతంగా మెసేజ్ ఇచ్చారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ వాల్యుబుల్ టైమ్ ఫర్ అవర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. అగైన్ చిల్డ్రన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ మినిమం రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ us to think for the nation, and after when you are going to grow, what you have to do, and then you have to have an idea from this time onwards. Now your responsibility in this stage is concentrating on your studies. It is nothing but developing yourself, and you can have an ability to think about the society. So once again, a great country we have taken birth, and we should proud of ourselves. Our children have sung in such a way that they have everything. The greatness of our country has reflected in their songs, in their dance. Is it not? So once again we are reminding our greatness, we are remembering our sacrifices of our great leaders. Is it not? So once again a happy independence to you all, and thank you all the parents, teachers and students for this great occasion. Thank you.
Congratulate all the prize winners coming to end of the program. Now I call upon KPS Vedavalli to render her oath of thanks. Happy Independence Day. Every year we celebrate Independence Day in our school, but each year has its own joy and luster. I thank today's chief guest Dr. C.H. Srinivas Garu, MDDM, for sparing his valuable time and attending this meeting. Sir's valuable words will always linger in the minds of the students. I especially thank our correspondent Madam Swarpa ma'am for her valuable support and for her instructions given. Our HM Sir Puri Shekhar Garu was a great inspiration and advisor for the smooth conduct of the program. I thank all my teachers, friends, parents and non-teaching staff. Thank you.
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना. यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से